friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you few kurtis neck designs. These are very simple designs and by using gota patti you can do it at home also. So continue watching the video till the end. So I hope you like these designs. If you want more such videos, then please subscribe my channel, and also do not forget to comment down below how you like my video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.